The Sandvik friction bolt is manufactured from high-strength steel. The steel is rolled into a tube with a slot along its entire length. A ring or collar is welded on the outer end to allow for a domed plate to be held in place. The benefits of this system are fast installation times and have a low-profile protrusion from the rock face. 3 sizes of friction bolts are available, being 33, 39 and 47 millimeters. The 33 and 39 millimeter are suitable for installation with handheld rock drills, stopers or drifters. The 47 millimeters friction bolt is not suitable for installation with handheld rock drills. This 47 millimeter friction bolt is also available with a high capacity collar to provide higher load capacity and strength. To install the friction bolt, first slot the end of the bolt into the hole. Full percussion and thrust is used until the domed plate is firmly against the rock surface. Friction bolts can be load tested by fitting a special ring to the bolt prior to its installation. Pull tests can then be conducted with a hollow ram hydraulic jack. Standard bolt lengths range from 0.6 meters to 3.6 meters in 300 millimeter increments. Non-standard lengths are available if required.